This video will show you how to install the Zonecheck addressable printer. For this you'll need the printer, an Ethernet cable and a gland that will all be provided for you. You'll need to repair one end of the Ethernet cable so that it looks like this. After you've mounted the printer and fed the cable into the controller via a gland on the side or through the back of the controller, you can connect the wires as shown here. Take care not to over tighten these connections as they can snap. And finally, plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into the back of the printer.